Hi everyone. This week for discussion, I'm drawing two independent samples of adult women where each sample size equals 100 women, as you can see right up here. So the first is a sample from the population of adult women in Denmark, so my country one is Denmark, while the second sample is women from the United States. So I set up my sample, or my null hypothesis to say that there was no difference in height between women from either country, but my alternate hypothesis is that there is a difference. So the assumptions and conditions include that it is an independent study, so there won't be like bias or anything, and each person can be sampled. And then the sample is truly random, and we can expect at least 10 failures and 10 successes from this. So this is my country one, Denmark, statistics. Sample size is 100. The mean is 65.35. The standard deviation is 3.24. Alright, so then going down to country 2, the United States. Sample size is also 100. The mean is 64.10, so slightly smaller than Denmark, and the standard deviation is 3.06, which again is smaller than Denmark. So then we go into the t-test category. You can see all the data is still there. So the difference between the means from Denmark to the United States is 1.26. You can see the standard error of difference is 0.4454. There are 198 degrees of freedom because each independent country has 99, so you add those together, you get 198. Our t-stat is 2.82156646, which I rounded off to 2.82. And the p-value is 0.00527. So from these statistics, I can conclude that since it's a very small p-value, that my null hypothesis is incorrect, so I'm going to reject it and say that there is a difference in height in the women of each country. So then for the distribution, the red area is the area where there's more data outside of the standard deviation. So in the center here, there's about 99.7% of the data right in there from the table. And then there is 0.27 in both of the red areas combined. So in both tails. So my conclusion for this discussion is that there is a difference in height between adult women in Denmark and adult women in the United States. On average, women in Denmark are taller than women in the United States. Thank you.